Welcome to Excel Highway, your one-stop shop for all your Excel needs. Today I want to show you a Google Sheets video about a very simple but hugely important function called import range, which you see over here. What import range does is actually allow you to connect between your Google Sheets in a very quick and easy way. And this is very helpful if you have more than one Google Sheets and you want to parse information online. This happens automatically and it works perfectly, and I've used it before for many of my files, for myself or for people that I've helped with. So here we have two different sheets. We have one Google Sheet which I call data, and I just pulled from Wikipedia some information about the countries and their population, and you see it over here. And here in the, let's say, destination spreadsheet, I didn't even name it because I'm not even going to save it. This is where I'm going to use the import range. Now, I like to use cells with parameters rather than typing in information, but feel free to do it as well. The formula is very simple. It's called import range, okay? And it has two arguments. The first one is the spreadsheet URL, which you see it's pointing to cell A2. And the second one is the range string, which is pointing to B2. And of course, you can just type that in if you prefer to type it in. It's very simple. All you need to do is go to your source data here to the scroll bar, copy the link, paste it over here, go to the range. In this case, this sheet is called sheet 1, and I want A1 through D11, which is what I wrote over here. Maybe it's hard to see this way. And normally what happens when you key in this formula, you get this error message. You need to connect these sheets. Now, one important note: this only works if the owner of the worksheet or Google Sheet is the same for both Google Sheets. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So when you get this message, just click on Allow Access, and there you go. You have this list. If I go over here, and now if I just delete Mexico, for example, you will immediately see that it is going to disappear. So this is online, happening instantly. This could be closed or open. It doesn't need to be open. It's a very helpful formula and very simple, and I hope you will get to use it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment. I like to read what you write, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care.